Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to go over audio clips, or the audio clip generator. Now this pretty much just holds recorded audio and samples, that sort of thing. You can create one of these by dropping audio like a WAV or MP3 straight onto the playlist from wherever you want, and it'll show up wherever you drop it. Once it's on the playlist, you can come up here, you can click on it, come up here and switch between stretch or not stretch. Stretching will change the length of the audio when you drag the end. So if you've got it like this, you can double the length of it and it'll stay like that. Or when that's off, it'll just add a bit of empty space. You can also enable zero cross slicing. This is helpful for avoiding clicks and stuff when chopping up your sample, but can stop you from chopping the sample up in certain spots. You can open up the audio settings here. Now I've gone over channel settings in a separate video, but over here we've got preview, so that'll just play the sound. You can stop it up there. You can select the source channel. Now if we've got multiple, we can change that. We can rename color, change icon, make it unique. So if I have two of these and I make this one unique, then I can edit this one however I want. So I'll stretch it maybe, and it won't affect the other sample. Whereas if I had two of this other sample now, and then I stretch these to this long, they're both going to do the same thing. This is for selecting all the similar clips, and you can delete it here. You can select your region, you can chop it up with different sort of settings. You can make unique a sample, and that'll save a separate sample file. You can edit the sample, pitch correct it, time warp it, detect the tempo or fit to tempo, so you can figure out what the tempo is, and then you can fit it to the right tempo. And then finally you can automate the panning and volume. You actually automate a lot of other parameters, but I'll cover that in a separate video. But that's about all there is for the audio clip generator. I'd suggest you watch my channel settings video for an in-depth guide into all of these. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.